What's up, guys? I'm here. I'm playing the Lion Obby, and before we get started, go check out my sister Catherine's channel. Wow, capital W.
Who stole my name?
Oh, and capital W again.
You stole my name.
She does gaming videos just like me, and let's
Often videos.
jump right into this.
Often.
No, how could you push me? And how could you fall quicker?
People want to leave me so badly.
This is gonna be easy. It's gonna be real easy. I can do this, guys. I can do this. She just uploaded another video, so.
Like 12 hours ago. I don't know.
No, it was more like 12 hours ago.
Dude, that's what I said.
No, it's not. No, wait. No, it's less than 12 hours. More like 10. You were nowhere near right, Catherine.
Oh,
A lot of people are on this obby. So if I fall, it's because they pushed me.
You're a liar. I'm looking in the mirror and I just saw like what you did. You fell.
Yeah, because I keep missing the jump button. No, further. I keep missing the jump button. And sometimes it doesn't walk. I don't know why. What? I'm pretty sure I pressed right here and it didn't walk. I'll be right back when I finish this. Okay, guys, I'm here and
I'm gonna type random letters.
I had to get past this one too, but there's no checkpoints.
Jim, I'm gonna type random letters and
And
see
that guy
like,
just
if
pushed
anybody
me.
has that name. Jim, I'm gonna type random letters and see if anybody has that name.
Okay, wait, there's actually a checkpoint.
Oh, it says you looks great. Okay. Well, I'm not using that. I want to use like my actual name.
No! This is hard. Everyone keeps dying. Hey, you messed me up by landing on my body, dude. I was jumping. You died. You died. You died. And I died. I know where the checkpoint is. No fair. That guy died and he like landed on the checkpoint. Did I land on the checkpoint? Oh no, my head fell. I don't think I landed. I landed on the checkpoint. Yay. I've been spared. Nope. Didn't die. Totally did not die. What's going on, guys? Hold on. Once I figure this out, I'll be right back. Okay, guys. I'm here and... Oh, I thought he went purple, but I guess he went yellow. Okay. So, yellow. What else? Okay, what's going on? Bro?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K.
Uh-oh.
I'm not a fan of singing that much.
It's brown? Okay.
I like singing. It's good. I thought somebody was growling for a second.
Oh, it's not black.
Dude, my
It's
name
red.
is Wow Gaming #1, which I hate that I had to
It's
add
white,
one.
dude. Go white.
Somebody
Go
use
white.
my name. Hi.
It's white.
Ew, stop. That's disgusting.
Have you want to play?
Alright, I have no friends, but I'm gonna search.
Bah!
Jamie. I'm gonna
Darn
I
it.
need a boss. I haven't got on the game.
This obby's actually harder than I thought. Thought this obby was gonna be easy and quick. Dude! Why'd you jump on my head?
Is a cat? Is a lowercase? They're all lowercase, Catherine. All lowercase and no spaces.
Oh,
Yeah,
God.
you better die.
Friends just need to like.
Wow, we made it.
Search friends.
Guys, I'm gonna pause this and
Not friends.
actually no, I'm gonna play around and then
Hey,
I'm gonna
stop!
pause and go
I
to a
had
different
it.
obby.
Press something.
The friends are up there.
We don't press friends up.
Yes, you do.
What?
We don't. It didn't work last time.
Speed. I want
Fine.
speed.
Jim, how you get such friends?
Watch. You'll see.
What?
Pops up. I have no friends. It doesn't show you guys. And second of all, it doesn't have a search where I can search you guys.
Hey, Jim, how do you search friends?
Guys,
Uh-oh. I'll be right
friend
back. Okay, guys. I am back, and I'm on a different obby now.
Oh,
This
shoot.
obby, I don't think anyone's playing, which is a shame because actually, it's actually really easy. Well, next time I need.
Okay. I haven't started the video.
Next time I shouldn't. Oh yeah, go check out Jamie's channel.
Excuse me. I don't have a channel yet.
Oh,
All right.
I thought you
Stupid.
did. Then why are you making videos?
For later on in life.
Jamie, are you a boy?
I'm a girl.
And where the flip are you? Let me see your name.
Okay, let me look. Okay.
This is
My
Really?
gosh. Where are these?
Jamie's the boss, not Jamie the boss. Jamie's the boss.
no. What? Why is
there's
it
only one
glitching?
name like me. Me!
Oh my goodness! Now I gotta start all the way at the beginning again, because this one actually doesn't have any
There only
checkpoints,
should be one.
which is really
that's me.
annoying.
So let's see if there's only one of Jamie. Search for players.
There I
You
am!
got a nice mask.
Who the heck copied me?
Oh, people who like you.
Oh yeah, it's dance party.
Okay, I was going to be. I'm
Hey,
in
Sammy!
Luxembourg.
Okay, so guys, I think I have time to play one more obby,
Alright,
so
I'm
I
gonna
will be
okay?
right back
just have to
after
play
I
Luxembourg
dance
'cause they would want me to play
for a little bit.
Welcome to Luxembourg. I'm not gonna flip out that I live in a
Hold on.
basement. And no home, just a basement.
Slash.
What?
I just live in a basement. Sorry.
Jim's the only player of his kind.
Yeah.
Jim, I'm adding you.
Party, party,
Jimmy, I
party
accept you
on the
later.
dance floor.
Jim.
I'll be right back, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm back, and I'm gonna play the Grinch parkour. And basically, once I slide down the slide, it should be over. I have played this parkour in the past. I wasn't paying attention. And yeah, I did it in another video, so go check that one out. If you don't like it, then don't give it a thumbs up. But I'm having fun. I'm having fun in this obby. Well, in every obby that I played today, because I played a couple. The other one was kind of frustrating because I kept dying. And then I had to go all the way back to the beginning. No. Well, in this obby, that is not the case. Okay, let's go. Bye-bye. This is really easy. Now, let me, come on, slowpoke. Geesh. I might play a little bit longer, though. I might play a little bit. But if you guys are enjoying the video so far, then leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe. What's this? Okay. I guess I can play a little bit of this. Seems easy enough. I'm not going to play the whole thing because that would take forever. But if you guys do want me to play the whole thing, then comment down below. I'm only going to play a little bit this time. So guys, if you like the video... Oh, also one more thing. If I didn't tell you this in the beginning of the video, then go check out Catherine's channel. Because she has an awesome channel. See y'all later. Peace.